second of only a few sunny days during the rally had us headed for Wyoming. It is there that you may catch a glimpse of quite an unusual sight. Protruding 867 feet from the prairie below stands the nation's first national monument, known as Devil's Tower. The name actually comes from a misinterpretation of the Native American name meaning Bear's House. There are several different iterations of the lore surrounding Bear's House or Devil's Tower. They all seem to depict a group of Native Americans that find themselves being chased by giant bears. After praying to the gods for rescue, the ground below them rose up so the giant bears could not reach them, and the bears' attempts to claw their way up left the rock scarred as we see it today. The geological explanation, although not as imaginative as the lore, is still quite impressive. The process started over 40 million years ago when magma being forced upward started to cool into what is known as igneous rock. Years and years of eroding surface material around the tougher igneous tower has revealed it to the world. Glancing up from the bottom will leave you in astonishment, but staring too long may lead to speculation. Steven Spielberg's Close Encounters of the Third Kind is just one iteration linking the natural wonder with otherworldly tales. What do you think of the Devil's Tower? Whether it's bears or aliens, we would love to hear your opinions in the comments down below. After a hot day full of riding, what better place to go for a cold drink than the Full Throttle Saloon? Considered to be the world's largest biker bar, the crowd was on the smaller side this afternoon, but that means we got premium parking. Originally located closer to town, a fire in 2015 resulted in the rebuilding of the saloon just outside the Pappy Hoyle campground. The original sign and display bikes will be seen as a reminder of the past and a starting point for the future. Full Throttle is often the location for many bike shows and concerts during the rally. The bare metal industrial theme is a unique setting that seems to always leave you thirsty for just one more. Let us know what your favorite place is to grab a drink during the rally. Any veteran will know there's more than one option. If you're interested in Sturgis, we have a whole series on the rally right here. And if motorcycles are your thing, Go ahead and subscribe for future content covering all of our adventures.